All right, we're going to look at the Exo Skins from Metalcloak on the JLU here. These things are really cool. I got them from Metalcloak direct. Did get the powder coat on it. Had them installed. I wasn't too comfortable drilling all the holes that need to go into the body and getting all the pieces in there correctly so that when you do those nut certs, everything's right, everything's flat. These are aluminum, but I gotta tell you, they are built so super cool. You can see how they fit nice and tight. Gonna get the new rock rails coming soon. We'll do a video on that. This is the passenger side here. You can see how they fit nice. Switching to a driver side here. You remember from a previous video, I had a nice little, we'll call it blemish here from a piece of granite that decided to kiss the side of this after we rubbed it pretty good right here. So that covered it up nicely. The guys over at Let's Roll here in Phoenix, Arizona, got it in there perfectly. All those lines, testament to how Metalcloak does their stuff. So driver's side there, fits nicely. Highly recommended. Love these things, look really nice.